In the 21st century, increasing digital evidence from various sources such as video surveillance systems, dash cams, body-worn cameras, and drone cameras, has made a large impact on the criminal justice system. With increasing integration of technology and legal procedure for criminal justice, secure storage and careful maintenance of digital evidence has never been more important than it is today. Evidence is the key element of criminal justice that has an impact on legal proceedings. Digital evidence, while more revealing, is fragile, and can easily be tampered with or modified. Therefore, evidence integrity needs to be protected, to make it admissible in the court of law. Vidizmo, a provider of digital media solutions, offers an IDC-recognized digital evidence management system, DEMS, to answer such needs. Vidizmo DEMS simplifies and streamlines ever-increasing digital evidence, and enables law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze data that is collected from various sources including documents, images, bodycams, dashcams, CCTV, and aerial vehicles such as drones, all while providing stringent levels of security including chain of custody, security, and access control. Vidizmo DEMS is a unified evidence management system that streamlines the digital evidence workflows and manages the inevitable growth of data all the way from evidence ingestion to management, processing, analysis, search, distribution, and presentation. Evidence room audits, across the globe, continues to unearth the instances of missing or tampered evidence resulting in the dismissal of criminal cases. In this era of advancement, maintaining logbooks or spreadsheets to manage large volumes of evidence is no longer justifiable. To cater to this, Vidizmo Digital Evidence Management System allows the law enforcement agencies to automate evidence ingestion from various sources, search efficiently to fetch required evidence quickly, help in evidence inspection by leveraging AI to automatically transcribe videos, detect faces, sentiments, labels, etc., maintain chain of custody, provide role-based access control for additional security, share evidence securely with relevant stakeholders, run tamper detection workflows, redact evidence to protect personally identifiable information, PII, automatically synchronize evidence upload, integrate Vidizmo DEMS with the existing IT, and record management systems and adhere to legal frameworks such as CJIS and FedRAMP. While some law enforcement agencies still retain digital evidence in the form of disks and flash drives, these items need to be pulled, copied, and refiled multiple times when needed by officials like prosecutors. Vidizmo DEMS supports ingestion of digital evidence from various sources once digitized, providing law enforcement agencies and others involved in the criminal justice process with an easier avenue that saves time, money, and effort. Once the evidence is ingested, it can be accessed by authenticated and authorized personnel from anywhere. Vidizmo DEMS allows you to submit evidence through multiple ways. You can upload through devices like a desktop or cell phone, automatic syncing of bodycams over docking stations, and drones connected by Wi-Fi, among others. Vidizmo's DEMS allows virtually unlimited submission of evidence and creation of cases. In order to make evidence and cases searchable, you can assign relevant agency tags and evidence tags that are widely used by agencies to associate with individual evidence files. Vidizmo also offers AI-enabled tagging that automatically generates smart tags for each evidence file. You can assign custom attributes to your evidence and cases as metadata to improve organization of data and increase search visibility for your uploaded evidence. This allows organizations to add additional information with evidence such as incident number, case number, or other information to refine your search and sort cases. With Vidizmo DEMS, you can create case folders to compile digital evidence such as videos, images, and documents. Administrators and case officers can easily manage, access, share, and track all digital evidence. Vidizmo further eases the workflow by offering the ability to upload digital evidence to a case, organize cases within various departmental sections, and maintain access rights of every case. Vidizmo DEMS helps group cases smoothly through folders so you can maintain all the similar cases under the same category. Officers can then be more focused on the investigation rather than spending time sorting through evidence files. Vidizmo DEMS uses artificial intelligence to provide features such as facial detection, inmate tracking, and video redaction, for law enforcement agencies to analyze, ingest, index, search, and organize their digital evidence. The AI feature provided in Vidizmo DEMS can identify individuals by faces and bodies for videos. For audio as well as video, number of speakers, speech volume, and emotional tone of speakers is also noted. Through such insights, investigators and other officials can narrow down or identify the potential suspects, their body language, possible intent, information about the surrounding environment, and more. With artificial intelligence, searching both within video and audio content has been made easy. The search function inside the videos allows viewers to search any spoken word and fast-forwarding to that relevant part with the video transcript. Users can also search the video through AI insights and other information similarly. Officials gain the ability to examine only the relevant parts of the video and audio content instead of watching the entire video. Digging through hours of video evidence such as surveillance videos to find important and relevant information can be very time-consuming. Whereas manually transcribing evidence speech from large amounts of recordings such as interviews, recorded meetings and voice notes can tie up officers and investigators with tedious desk work. Vidizmo helps you transform evidence speech to searchable text to quickly find specific details and moments inside evidence without having to watch the entire footage.
Now let me advise you that you are under oath.
Highlighting areas of interest or sensitive information on digital evidence that are of importance to an investigation will make such data easier to spot and can be used to strategic advantage. Vidizmo's DEMS offers a customizable player template allowing evidence to be viewed as per custom requirements and includes options such as adding annotations and making videos viewable frame by frame for analysis. Vidizmo's DEMS empowers law enforcement agencies and other organizations with automated redaction to protect personally identifiable information and comply with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, CCPA, and FOIA. With Vidizmo's powerful AI you can automatically detect and redact faces, people, objects, and license plates through visual analysis. Audio and other identifiable information contained within video footage can also be redacted. Once all the items are identified and reviewed, the video itself can be easily redacted with one click. Vidizmo's artificial intelligence features automatically detect bodies and by selecting a specific start and end time would redact the selected option completely. You can select the start and end time for redacting faces, objects, body parts, and custom objects to hide sensitive information. In case the system has detected the same items separately, like a person appearing in different parts of the video being noted as separate people, for instance, you can manually specify and correct this for better accuracy. This extends to repeated images, objects, words, or phrases. It is useful for tracking items that need to be redacted. Like videos, you can also automatically redact audios by selecting the start and end time to mute any sensitive or explicit content. Vidizmo provides geospatial mapping of all digital evidence captured with GPS-enabled devices and geographical information collected from drone sensors using KLV metadata. Vidizmo leverages location metadata to locate evidence on the map and KLV metadata to map geographical information collected from drone sensors. In case the location metadata is unavailable, Vidizmo allows officers to add evidence location manually to locate evidence on the geospatial map. Evidence migrated from disks and other types of storage needs to be made easily searchable to save time. Once uploaded, Vidizmo provides a robust platform for search of digital evidence within the platform through categories, tags, custom attributes, and metadata generated from various sources. Metadata can include attributes such as title, case number, lead investigator, and author. Search can also be performed with system-generated custom attributes such as publishing date, evidence type, evidence upload date, or any other required identifiers. Digital evidence itself is also searchable for the content contained within through the aid of AI insights, providing further convenience for seeking information. Ensuring data privacy and security and making it accessible for only select individuals is crucial when it comes to sensitive information like evidence. Vidizmo DEMS addresses this by allowing straightforward evidence sharing with internal and external users. For third-party recipients, you can share information by generating a private link and protecting evidence through passwords and end-to-end encryption. This allows you to give investigators, officers, lawyers, courts, and other officials in the criminal justice system access to evidence and data as well as protecting it from any unauthorized usage. You can specify viewers and groups within Vidizmo DEMS sharing options to give them access to information for a specific duration, by entering details such as hours, minutes, starting and ending date of the digital evidence to be shared. Another option available is to create a private link to be shared with people through email with the same limitations applicable. The number of views per viewer can also be limited by defining how many times a viewer can access, playback the evidence. Digital evidence requires protection through a mechanism that ascertains whether evidence or rendition of evidence has been tampered with or not. Tamper detection in Vidizmo DEMS is determined through cryptographic hash values, providing proof that any digital evidence is the same as the original since upload through an encoding workflow that transcodes the uploaded evidence. Vidizmo computes the original hash and marks it verified upon ingestion. The integrity of evidence is verified by reinitiating the workflow, which checks if the unique composition of the current file in storage, generated in the form of a hash, is still veritably the same as the original hash value stored in the database. For any file, the user can choose to verify whether it has been tampered from the available overflow menu in the home page. If the file has been tampered, it will be marked as such after the process. Otherwise, it will have a check mark. Digital evidence may undergo changes within its lifecycle such as moderation, update, deletion, re-upload etc. These activities warrant attention from the designated officers who need to be aware of them, especially in cases where their action or response may be required. You can assign specific users the permission to flag such sensitive evidence within the portal to be able to receive alert notifications on them. Vidizmo's DEMS implements integral access management strategy with multiple permissions and settings, including providing the capability to inquire the end users to log the reason for access of any evidence or case. A smooth monitoring process can therefore be established in law enforcement agencies and other organizations dealing with evidence, allowing them to keep a detailed record of who accessed what evidence or case and for what purpose. Legal procedure dictates that mishandling of digital evidence can lead to it becoming inadmissible in court. In Vidizmo's DEMS evidence lifecycle is maintained through chain of custody, which is a set of security-oriented chronological documentation that provides a trail of activities performed on any digital evidence. This helps extract crucial information such as reassignment of evidence to a previous officer or transfer of access to the defense attorney for limited viewing rights into a consolidated chain of custody report. Audit logs of all those accessing the system are maintained and support the chain of custody requirements, giving you top-notch privacy and confidentiality standards by tracking every user's action within the system. The assigned admins and managers can access these audit logs to gain information such as login date, time, and actions performed. The logs also note all the amendments made to the records for tamper detection by reporting activities such as content viewed, updated, uploaded, etc. Vidizmo DEMS offers robust authentication and authorization processes to ensure the highest level of security. Authentication ensures that only recognized users are allowed access, while authorization grants permitted access controls to authenticated users. Users can control granular security and access to sensitive information through role-based access control and choose to share the evidence with select users. Vidizmo DEMS supports logging and using SSO with multiple identity providers, such as directory services, identity access management services, and third-party login. Also, if some of your users are not a part of directory services, Vidizmo DEMS offers web-based authentication, through Vidizmo username and password. Once you are successfully authenticated, your user attributes are verified, which grant you permitted levels of access controls. With Vidizmo DEMS, you can ensure evidence security and protection with encryption at rest and in transit with FIPS-compliant end-to-end encryption. Evidence can be encrypted in one of the three states: encryption at rest, encryption in transit, and encryption in use. For storage optimization, Vidizmo offers automatic archiving for backup as well as media deletion upon the expiration of their retention period. Even after deletion, you can define your specific data retention or purge policies for long or short-term media retention and retrieval after deletion, helping maintain the videos for backup. You can add your own styling to various aspects of the application's design through custom CSS. This overrides the default interface settings of the portal. You can also choose the language you wish to set for the portal from Vidizmo's multiple language functionality. With Vidizmo's Open API, you can maximize efficiency and performance by integrating Vidizmo with an ever-growing number of IT systems to improve adaptability and break down evidence data silos to expedite investigations. You can also integrate Vidizmo DEMS with your existing computer-aided dispatch system, CAD, and reduce the response time for locating calls and callers. Share your data with everyone who needs to see it by configuring your existing record management system, RMS, to meet your needs for ingesting, recovering, logging, and real-time reporting. You can also integrate interview room recording systems with Vidizmo DEMS to ingest crucial captured interviews that preserve truth. Vidizmo's digital evidence management system gives you access to dedicated multi-tenant portals as a singular software that consolidates them all. You can empower public defenders to easily receive and manage evidence from prosecutors in a single location, allow prosecutors to collect and share digital evidence quickly and easily for faster case processing, collect evidence from the public, and enable the community to contribute to the investigation process. Additionally, you can protect the credibility of law enforcement by covertly investigating allegations and monitoring officer activities. With Vidizmo, you can leverage a consolidated digital evidence management system that helps you meet all your digital evidence compliance requirements. With Vidizmo DEMS working in tandem with cloud providers such as Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services, AWS, you can enjoy a wide repository of security and regulation compliance standards in addition to major ones like FedRAMP, ITAR, and EAR, to satisfy your requirements. For our clients residing in Europe or dealing with data from the region, DEMS comes with the option of GDPR compliance, which you can turn on in your portal settings. Vidizmo provides the option for secure storage either on premises, on Vidizmo Cloud, or on any customer-owned cloud. However, Vidizmo offers its government and law enforcement customers the opportunity to leverage public cloud providers such as Azure Government or AWS GovCloud. These options give customers the flexibility to architect secure cloud solutions to their satisfaction. Vidizmo DEMS offers a centralized solution for your digital evidence and is accessible on any device or bandwidth conditions. Furthermore, Vidizmo allows sharing of evidence at several levels between police officers, investigators, and prosecutors, as well as gathering evidence from the public. To explore what value Vidizmo Digital Evidence Management System could create for you, or to see how easy it can be to manage and share all your evidence, you can set up a free trial from Azure Marketplace and AWS Marketplace or request a free trial in Vidizmo's cloud. Stay tuned until next time.